Alright guys, Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. This is a repeat commercial customer in Tallahassee. So I've serviced this a couple of times. Gonna work on the canopy tonight and then also the ground down below. Gonna take care of the sidewalks down through here. They should be closing here in just a few minutes. So got everything set up, got my hose run, so we're filling up with water. Did a quick walk around the property. This building back here, initially did it. When I first washed it, overall it doesn't look too bad. Sidewalks, they don't look too bad either. They just have a lot of debris on them. But once they get closed up, I'll go ahead and get started. It's a nice cool evening, so I've been here a couple times with torrential downpours and other times where it was hot and muggy. So it's definitely nice to have a night where it's not too bad. So go ahead and get started and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so sorry for the lighting. I shut everything down a couple hours ago, but all finished up. This sidewalk, did all this concrete through here. This concrete's pretty rough shape. Went pretty heavy with the sodium hydroxide, but a lot of these stains have been around for a long time. And went down just to the bottom of the hill. So all finished up, got everything packed up. It's about 3:15 in the morning, so gonna go home, get a couple hours of sleep, and actually have some Christmas light quotes to do. So Christmas light season is upon us. So we'll get that all squared away and we'll do it all again. Thanks for watching.